In this video I'm going to show you whether you can see who saved your Instagram posts. And first open up Instagram app and then once you are on Instagram hit at your profile picture. Next hit at menu icon and go into settings. Then tap add account and here scroll down for a bit, and if there instead of switch account type it says switch to professional account, just hit on that link and switch your account into professional. I have already did that before and it gives you bunch of different options including analytics option. So now I can go to my profile because my account is already professional, and now I can open up any of the posts like that. I just hit at that post and here is view insights feature, just hit on that. And now there it shows up all the analytics of that post, the count of replays, likes, comments, sendings and saves. So that bookmark icon shows up the number of people that saved that specific post. Unfortunately, you can't see the exact persons who saved this post. This is a limitation of Instagram, but you can see here the count of people. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.